In this video, we're going to create a complete AI influencer. We'll generate her face, make multiple pictures while keeping her identity consistent, create videos using those images, so she's not just a static picture, but a moving character. And finally, add lip sync.
Hi, welcome back to my video.
All the prompts I used are in the document linked in the description. So let's get started. First, open ChatGPT. Ask it to generate a beautiful girl based on your requirements. This will be your digital character. ChatGPT will create a base image of her. Download the image. Next, ask ChatGPT to describe her complete appearance in detail. Now you have both the base image and the character profile. Your digital influencer is ready. Let's move on to generating different images. Ask ChatGPT to write a detailed prompt for hyper-realistic photos, like her sitting in a cafe, traveling, or wearing different outfits. The style should be sharp, crisp, and high definition. Copy that prompt. Then open Gemini Image Generator. Upload the base image as a reference. Then ask Gemini to generate the image of same girl in the reference image. Then paste the prompt. And generate. This will create new images of the same girl while maintaining her face consistency. Repeat this process with different locations and outfits to build a full portfolio of images. Let's generate another image for tutorial videos. Now let's turn those images into videos. Download one of the pictures, then go back to ChatGPT. Paste the image prompt and ask it to create an image-to-video script, including what the influencer should say. Copy the prompt. Next, open Flow. I'm using Google's VEO, but you can use any image-to-video generator. Switch to frames to video, upload your image, paste the script, and hit generate. Your video is ready.
Subscribe to AI Grow.
If you don't need audio, use VEO2 to save credits. Finally, let's add lip sync. Open DupDub, go to AI Avatar, and upload the image. Choose a voice that matches your influencer's personality, paste your script, and generate. Now your influencer speaks naturally with synced lips.
Hi, welcome back to my video. I am an AI influencer.
And that's it. You've successfully created an AI influencer using ChatGPT, Gemini, VEO, and DupDub. If you want me to create a full course on this step-by-step process, drop a comment below.